Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Skulba North Eastern Hill University hak arpu atrik risau arja usau. Kala Ïasoi ka memorandum of understanding bat ki Tylli ki Kynhun beper hak jingalang kablalong ha Golden Jubilee Auditorium NEICOD building Nehu hak about registrar jong ka Skulba Nehu u Colonel retired Omkar Singh. Kala Ïasoi ya kini ki memorandum of understanding hak kerteng jong Skulba bat kinong mikmat jong ki Kynhun beper. Hak ni kesengi la sakhilang do director jong ka IIM Shillong u DP Goyal uplalong kumukongsan ringkat ka Jingdon Lang jong u Vice Chancellor ka Skulba Nehu Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ka Head jong ka Department of Khasi ka Skulba Nehu ka Dr. Streamlet Dakhar ki MOU ki bang Skulba Nehu kala Ïasoi ki long bat ka Indo-Korea Business Cultural Center ban pensedang no ha ka jingpule ka Ktien Korea ha Nehu ka Ïasoi ka Memorandum of Understanding bat ka Jets 24/7 Shillong bat ka State Cancer Institute Guwahati Medical College nalor kini ka Skulba Nehu kala Ïasoi ka Memorandum of Understanding bat ka ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Guwahati bat ka CRS Box Foundation SMEC Trust kentubru bat ka Black Screen Studio Mumbai. Ka Memorandum of Understanding kala Ïasoi khatdu hakini kesengi kalong bat ka Team Lease EdTech Mumbai.
This side. Come this side.
But these days, every small kid, even 3, 4, 5 years, would ask Google Baba because it is access of information, and I think that's a privilege, and that's the reason that why institutions these days more and more we need to collaborate. And I'm so happy to see that so many MOUs are being signed, industry, academia, and also the international organizations. Because when we want to make our citizens as a global citizens, it really becomes very important that we cannot just restrain to the only one institution knowledge or just one organization. Rather, we need to be a global citizen. That is the challenge for all of us, all the educators, all the administrators, all the leaders, academic leaders. It is the responsibility of all of us that we now, each and everything should be our student-centric and our learner-centric. I think that this is the beauty, and why when I was just going through this kind of MOU signing, I was so happy that so many organizations, they have come forward to collaborate. Because when we talk about that, it is not that we are competing with each other, Rather, we need to get advantages of that what other institutions are having, and let us leverage the advantages or strengths of other institutions or other organizations. So industry academia interaction, it really very, very vital for all our students, because then we can really get to know that what is actually happening on the ground, and that is what the practice. I think that these days we are just not only focusing on the theoretical aspects, because those days are gone when teachers, they were regarded as that they are the theoretician people. But nowadays you find that teachers, they also have to understand the changing role of the teaching, and that's the reason that why these days teachers or the learner or the people that who are responsible to impart learning to their students, they are also under extreme pressure, because they need to update. And that's the reason that why we normally say that there's no age for learning, and continuous learning, it really has become a mantra these days, because we have seen that many of us are going for the training programs, whether within the country, whether outside the country, just to update ourselves. And sometimes even after 40 years, we would love to sit back in the classroom or also just to see the actual practices, because we learn through those real life cases. And that is how that we need to be relevant as far as our role is concerned.
Instead of 1,000 words, I heard a lot about the prestigious Nehu and the university and Shillong and Meghalaya and the northeast of India. But until I come here, I truly understand the diversity of India. I really feel like I'm home in South Korea, especially when I see all these big pine trees and the beautiful blue sky and the white clouds. And I learned that the Meghalaya means the land of cloud. And especially the most important thing is people. The professors, administrators, and the students at Nehu, they look like us. So I feel like I'm really in South Korea home. Now, Basudev Kutumbakam, we are all brothers and sisters, one family, one value, under one God. But unfortunately, languages are very different. So I'm very thankful to introduce Korean language program here at Nehu University. And another important thing that I would like to mention is, for the first time in the world, in the history, even now we talk about Google, much before Google. In Nehu, we are introducing multilingual dictionary. For language multilingual dictionary, Kashi, Hindi, Korean, English. This is going to be a new chapter of history, and I'm very honored to make it happen, thanks to the leadership of P.S. Shuklaji, Professor Dakaji, and Professor Omkar Singhji, and Professor Saraji. And thank you very much, Nehu University.
My sister, Jenna Chang, first time she met me in a airport with the help of I.K. Sinha. And she ready to work with me, and also even ready to donate, not in the form of the money, but in the form of the language culture between the two countries. Professor Dhakar, already she had taken the responsibility to sign an MOU between the Korean language and Khasi, Garo, Jaintia along the other languages of the Northeast. And I hope with the application of modern artificial intelligence technology, we will able to project the languages of Northeast and also will able to fulfill the requirement of NEP 2020, that is 3 languages formula: regional, national and international. Today we already have signed the MOU with the different 7 organizations. And 2 MOUs are very important, especially for the Shillong city and also the people of the Meghalaya. One is cancer, and we are fully well aware about the impact of the cancer disease in the life of Meghalayan people along with other parts of the country. And really this is a very dangerous disease. What are the causes and how we can find out the real causes and create an awareness among the young generation of the Meghalaya and also the local people. With the creation and awareness, we will able to solve this problem up to some extent. Another important things, the green energy or the role of the electric vehicles in the campus of the Nehu and also in the Meghalaya. Commonly, the people knows about that Meghalaya, this is the abode of cloud. How to maintain this abode of cloud? How to maintain the culture and real character of this, the pupil belongs to Meghalaya, residing in the Meghalaya. Definitely, if we are not going to change the energy pattern, not today, but tomorrow, Shillong city will also be just like the Delhi and other cities of the country. So being an academician, it is our duty to think about the problems and find out a real solution of the problem. Other MOUs signed by the university, ICAR, Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute, Guwahati, and role of the agriculture in our life. Really, our farmers harvesting the good yield from their fields or not? Where is the weakness or the lateness? And with the intervention of the technologies or agricultural technologies applications, definitely we can aware our farmers and they may harvest better yield from same piece of the land.